Hello friends, today in this video we will discuss with you about 5-star ERP software. In this ERP software we will tell you how to manage the work of your hotel and restaurant so you can completely computerize any of your organization, whether it's a hotel or restaurant. Just like you have a daily working such as QT, table service, room service, reservation, booking, advanced booking, check-in, check-out, dashboard. So how to automatically have everything? So we will learn by recording it through step-by-step video. First of all, we will download this software here. From here you can easily download this ERP software. As soon as you install it, there will be an icon on your desktop. You click on the icon, then a window will open in front of you. As soon as the window opens, first you will see below create a new organization. Just like we do manual work or billing, but after making the bill we have to maintain our ledger, whatever the load is applied on our credit. But in this ERP software you make a billing, then your day book, ledger, cash book, up to financial accounting, everything will be maintained automatically. Now I'll tell you that which is our organization, which is our firm and our hotels and restaurant. So how do we start to address book in computer? So first click on the new button. As soon as you click on the new button, a window will open in front of you. A simple form will open. Here are the details you have to fill. So we will start now. First of all, the name of the organization will come here. After entering the name, we will place an address here. If we have bigger address, then we can put it in the next option, and then we will enter the city name. One thing I want to share with you, whatever information you will put here, so all the details will be printed on these bill statement, whichever we give to clients. Here you have to keep in mind that if you have to keep it in a capital letter or put it in the title case, in the same case you will put this information. After that we will put our phone number. And mobile number, email ID, and website. If you have a GST number, then here we will put the GST number. From here we will start our financial year. Ever since we will start our book computerized, since we will put a start date here. After that the next date will be automatically come. So here you will click on simple create a new company. As soon as we make the new company, then automated default username and password will be created here. As I have kept the default username and password 11, so you can also change later. There are lots of benefits and leakage. Whatever you want, you have to give different rights, such as what's the authority to give person. So we will discuss with you in the next video step by step. Firstly, we will learn how to create a new organization. Create a company. New company has been successful created. Okay. So now we will log in by entering the username and password. Select user. Next. Enter password. Login. One more thing would like to share with you that any information about company we can change it easily. For that we will go on the masters. Then click on the company info, and whatever information we have entered into company info, So here you can see that information, and we can change any information easily like name, mobile number, address, for example. After correction, we will do update our information. So like that we will create our organization. If you have one or more companies, then you can easily create it. So this is our first video. So in the next video we will discuss with you how to create item in our restaurant, how to create master's entry, and how to set up a tax lab, and which we have opening stock in today's date in our store and warehouse. Then we will learn how to be entered, and we'll discuss with you how to be create and table and rooms and so on. So if you have any query, you can give feedback in the comment box. Thank you.